Ladies and gentlemen, this is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the SEMDA Southeastern Medical Device Association 2014 conference here in Atlanta, Georgia. With me is Allan Hytowitz, DYOP Vision Associates. It's a private company. Allan, welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you very much, Shelley. It's a pleasure, sir.
It's good to have you. Tell our audience about DYOP.
We have developed and discovered a optotype, a vision testing concept that is 3 times as precise as what doctors are using with the big E on the wall, the Snellen test. Takes less than half the time to do a vision check. You don't need to be able to read, let alone read English. We can measure acuity in children as young as 5 months of age, and we think we might actually be able to screen for dyslexia using colored images, that it's not a cognitive, it's a visual problem.
How do you do it?
Well, using color contrast images, because the diameter of the image determines what your acuity is, and you see colors at different distances than you see black and white images with the same diameter.
Let me take that in for a second.
Yeah.
They've been using the test.
Try 1862, 152 years.
So here's my question. Why now? All of a sudden, somebody's come up with a replacement for the, what is it, the Snellen chart?
Snellen test, yeah.
So talk to me about, where did this come from?
Well, in 1862, you didn't have people reading as readily as they do now. It was very good science in 1862, and it was designed to feed the egos and the pocketbooks of people who knew how to read, who could afford the test. Problem is, it's not a very good scientific methodology, because it's focused on what you can't see in terms of 2 of the 5 letters, and the test is not accurate. The images are too big. It's literally a bad design test, but it took 152 years in computer technology to have the resources to discover it didn't work. It also took someone with no prior vision training trying to figure out why it wasn't working to discover, oh my God, it doesn't work.
2 questions. How do you implement your test?
It will be available on a computer monitor where you look at the images, except you'll have 3 times the precision. And in fact, we've discovered that if you're using a projection system instead of a computerized image, you're actually getting a very bad prescription. It's sort of like the doctors who are using projected Snellen tests, like on the wall, are actually making their patients blinder, but they don't know it yet.
So it's an app, is my question.
This will be an app and an app on an iPhone or on a tablet, or this will be a computerized vision test the doctors will be using in their offices.
What's your background?
Trained as a biochemist, 35 years of straight commission sales as an executive recruiter, and I basically blundered into this because I discovered that my glasses were 1 diopter too strong, and for 4 years I wasn't able to work and couldn't understand, didn't have a brain tumor, did not have early Alzheimer's. The meds for ADHD didn't seem to do any good at all. And I discovered, oh my God, my glasses were 1 diopter too strong in each eye because the doctor had screwed up the prescription and I didn't know it.
No way.
Yeah, way.
Okay, so whoa. So now here's my question, all right? When can someone use your test? When's it on the market?
The consumer tests are free and available on the internet right this moment. You go
on what website?
DYOP.org.
DYOP.org.
It stands for Dynamic Optotype, and the consumer tests are available free. We'll have a commercial product available around the 1st of July.
So, ladies and gentlemen, Allan Hytowitz, DYOP Vision Associates. It's a private company. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive. We're at SEMDA, the Southeastern Medical Device Association 2014, here in Atlanta, Georgia. Allan?
Thank you, Shelley.
Keep an eye on the ball.
Will do. Yes, sir.